Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we're talking about summertime. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Rachel from Day to Day Joys. There will be a playlist in the description. We're all talking about summer favorites. So here are some of our favorite things and things to do and all the things. These are in no particular order, but I have tried several different types of like kiddie pools and had some failures in the past. And they've only lasted like one season. And then last year, or maybe 2 years ago, I bought a sandbox with a lid, and we use that as a kiddie pool. And it is just constructed in a way that lasts longer. This isn't gonna last more than one summer. Watermelon. We love cold watermelon from the fridge. Crack it open. My favorite thing is when you stick the knife in and it just like busts open on its own. That is how you know you have an awesome watermelon. I've heard that it should have like a deep thump when you knock on it. It should be heavy for its size. So when you pick it up, you should be like, whoa, that's heavy. That means it's got a lot of like juicy water content. Apparently, these are things I've heard. And also it should have a nice spot on it where it kind of sat and ripened. So those are my tricks. I hope that they help you find the perfect watermelon this summer. Okay, number 3 is a sprinkler, and this is my favorite. I love the one, I have one where it's like long and it goes like it goes like this, and it like does the little sprinkler jets like this, but it's like metal, so you're actually buying a legit sprinkler instead of, in the past I've gotten those little like kiddie toy things with the little things that like flip all around. And if this isn't somebody's favorites, sorry. But I bought one of those things one year, but like other things, it was done in one season. Like there was no saving it for the next year. And so for us, like buying a sprinkler that actually is for watering your grass, it works for the kids too. They get to jump over it and play with it, and it, you know, and it's watering your grass too. If you actually need it to water your grass, it'll do a really good job of doing that. You can move it around your yard or whatever, or you could just have your kids move around with it as you're watering your grass. They're also having fun, and it'll last for years instead of one season coming from the kiddie toy area. Another way to have fun in the water is to go to splash pads. I really enjoy going to a splash pad because your kids can't drown. Honestly, or drown. There's no D on the end, is there? Honestly, like, because I have 2 kids that are close in age, it was hard for me for a long time to feel comfortable taking them to a pool because I was literally scared in my mind that I was going to have to save one or the other. You know, I wasn't going to be able to take care of both of them if something were to happen. And so going to a splash pad is just, it just feels so much like easier for me. If I want to take them by myself, I know that they can have fun in the water, they can play with friends when we meet somebody there, and it's to me it's easier than taking them to a pool or the beach where they could die. So maybe this is a little intense, but summer jams. I have a playlist that I've talked about before that I will be adding a couple of more songs to. I call it Turn Your Day Around, and it's just like happy, upbeat songs that you can like dance to. I just love happy songs. For a while there, when I was younger, I was into like emo music and everything, and even like Christian emo where it's like talking to God, but you're like constantly talking about all your hard struggles and stuff. And I just realized that I had to stop listening to sad music. And really ever since that point in my life, I've tried to listen to upbeat music, even though like some of the songs on my list, funny enough, they like have like they're talking about their struggles, but the main focus of the song is about like the positive side of things. Even though you can go through, you know, hard things, the happy side is more of like the upbeat, and that's what the song's more focused on. And I just really like that. And I don't know if this has so much to do with summer, but just having music that just keeps you like upbeat is something that I just love. And you can dance around to it with your kids and stuff. And I don't know, I feel like that's kind of summery because it's just like happy and like upbeat, and you know, you're having fun outside. You can listen to some fun music. So I'll leave that link in the description. I just bought a bunch of t-shirts. I went through a season in my life where money was really tight, and I just didn't buy myself basically anything for like a couple years. And recently I've come to this point, you know, past that season where I realized that like I just need to kind of replenish my wardrobe. So for this summer, I got 10 t-shirts. They're really soft and I really like them. So I will link the website that I got the shirts from in the description box. And also any of the items that I talk about, I get a lot of stuff on Amazon, like the sprinkler or the sandbox, and all that will be linked in the description if you're interested in those things and you want to see the kind that I'm actually talking about. It's kind of hard to describe it. Thank you so much to Rachel for hosting this. Be sure to check out the other ladies' videos. I'm looking forward to their suggestions and their ideas for summer fun. And I hope you have an awesome summer. Thanks for watching. Remember that God loves you, He sees you, and He will make everything beautiful in His time. Bye.